Alright, so we got another little short video for you guys. We're going to be cutting open these 4 little baby Malawi agates. These are little tiny guys. I think we're going to cut them all open at once and reveal them all at the end. But let's go ahead and look at them. These are some Josiah picked out himself he wants to cut. This one's got a really nice looking little window there. That's about it for that one. This one here, this one's got a little window there and a really nice window there. It's got some nice orange color. Hopefully it's not all fractured up like that inside. This one here has a really awesome little window. And then this guy here, we're just gonna slice a little bit off of this end and see what it looks like inside of there. So we're gonna cut these 4 open and we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so Josiah wanted to do these one at a time, so he cut the first one. Let's see what we got, buddy. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. That is awesome. You know, I've heard a lot of people call these like candy agates or candy dish agates. This is why. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful inside. They're tiny, but they're so pretty. Wow, look at the dendrites in there. That's cool. And the eyes in there, that's really interesting. That's awesome. Alright, so up next we're going to cut this one here. See what's inside of there. Alright, so he cut it and kind of broke apart on one side. But let's see what the good half looks like. Ooh. Kind of a little bit cloudy. Get it wet here. It's actually really pretty. Wow. Look at that red and orange in there. It's really nice. That's interesting. So that's pretty cool. You can see how the bands, they really show up sometimes on the edge of the agate where it's been bleached. But then sometimes once you cut it open, they kind of become more cloudy. They're harder to see. So it's interesting. Alright, which one we get cut open next?
This one.
This one? Okay, yeah, we looked at this one. This one looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and cut it. Let's see what's inside of it. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so went ahead and cut it. Let's see what's inside. What? Where'd the red go? Oh, wow. That's interesting. That's cool. It's actually really cool, that quartz in there. It's really interesting. Get it wet here. That's interesting. Huh. I would never have thought that. I thought it'd be bright red inside. But apparently the red doesn't go through it. Alright, we got one left here. This one has a little bit of window on this side. And then this window here with the red in it. So hopefully this one will have some red inside of it. But we'll go ahead and cut it and see what we got. Alright, so we went ahead and cut it. Let's see what's inside of it. Oh! Let me get it wet. Oh, wow. This is a really thin, tiny one, but that is so pretty. So pretty. So I'll go ahead and I'll polish these up. They should be pretty easy to polish since they're so small. So it should go pretty quick. And we'll see you guys on the next one.